Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video, I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to reset the oil life. This video should apply to Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2024, so I'm not 100% sure this screen will look the same, but it should. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. To see the oil life and to reset it, you'll be using these menu buttons on the steering wheel and look at the screen on the instrument cluster. So you want to press the menu button, then you want to go all the way down to status and information and press OK. And you want to select engine information, press OK again, and oil life is at 100%. And now to reset it, you want to press and hold OK. Now mine is already set at 100, but I'll do it again. So I'm just holding OK, and that's it. If it's under 100, so if it's at like 20%, and you do the oil change, and then you do this procedure, it will go back to 100%. And then the vehicle will warn you when the next oil change is due. Now the other way to reset the oil life, in the main menu, just go all the way down to vehicle maintenance and select oil life, and here you can also reset it. So you can reset it here or through the engine information menu. It will do the same thing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.